Hello teddies, it's your island girl Winnie and I am back with another video. Not just any video, but as promised I will be doing
official update
on the flaxseed powder gel that I made. Now if you want to see how I made that flaxseed powder gel, the link will be right here somewhere on the top there, and you can click that to follow exactly how I made it. Just 2 ingredients and it was very easy, so definitely check that video out. I'll wait. Back at, yes. So I just hopped out the shower. So yeah, we're ready to go. That's my beautiful son in the background. If you're hearing him, it is morning here in the Bahamas. So we're just getting out of bed. All right, guys. So I'm gonna hop right into my hair routine, just incorporating the flaxseed powder gel that I made. So this is my hair when it's freshly washed. Yeah, all the curls. So we're gonna deal with I wasn't able to use the normal shampoo and conditioner I would, but I also always use this particular one. And every time I look at this brand, I laugh because I remember when it wasn't so popular over here and I would get the quote like,
"Oh, you're using horse products?"
But yeah, still sticking with the mane and tail. And I used the shampoo and the conditioner this morning, and this is the herbal growth one because there are 2 kinds to my knowledge. If there are more now, she doesn't know about it. No, but this is the herbal growth one that I used this morning, and so my hair is clean, all the residue is out and stuff like that. And when it comes to washing my hair, I normally only wash it like twice a week or so. I'm getting back into the routine of just doing that to keep it moisturized and so forth like that. So before I go in with the flaxseed powder, I am going to be using the Cream of Nature Pure Honey, and this is their shrinkage defense. Now I haven't used this that much to even know if this is like legit, if it's really going to be a shield against shrinkage, because we all know when you have natural hair in general and it's curly natural hair on top of that, it coils up. Like the shrinkage is ridiculous because when I stretch my hair out,
it's amazing. The light is amazing.
But yeah, so I'm gonna go in with my Cream of Nature curl activator, and then I'm gonna go in with the flaxseed powder gel that I made. Also, I'm going to be doing a review on the Cream of Nature products, so look out for that video coming up, as I have the line as well. Let's get started, I should say. So let me just take my band off for hooks in my hair, which is a natural occurrence and it hurts like hell. So I don't normally do this in any particular way. So let's go.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
until my will runs dry. Sin all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my mountain. I wanna play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can feel my voice flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream forever.
Didn't anticipate having to use this much, but I just want to make sure that my hair has it throughout evenly. And like I stated in the video when I made the flaxseed powder gel, when you make it, if you refrigerate it, you can use it for up to 3 to 4 weeks, I think they said. But if you don't, the maximum usage you're gonna get out of it is about 2 weeks the most. So obviously going through making it, you definitely want to get as much use out of it as you possibly can. So I'm just gonna continue going through my hair with my fingers underneath and on top, just like a comb, but I'm using my hand because I don't want my hair to tear. Alright guys, so I decided that while my hair is still drying, I just go ahead and get dressed and get ready because I'm going on the road with my husband and our son. He turned 5 months today. Time is flying. So one thing I started doing, especially because we realized that Cairo has sensitive skin just like us, which I am really not shocked. My husband has eczema and then I have sensitive skin, extremely sensitive skin. So organic coconut oil has been the staple right now in our household. I'm almost out, but this was a decent sized jar. He's playing right now with his dad. But this was a decent sized jar I got from my local Lowe's for not more than maybe $13, I want to say. Can't be more than that. And this is the Butcher Boy one. So I put this in my hair, but I didn't do that today because I really want to see the see what the gel we made does. So right now I'm just moisturizing my skin with this. And I moisturize Cairo every other day, well basically every day when I do it. Either this or I use the Aquaphora, but I love using the coconut oil, the organic coconut oil. And my mom gets her organic coconut oil straight from the coconut herself, and I will do a video showing you guys that if you want. But yeah, so I have a combination skin and I'm not gonna leave it oily like this. I rub it out. Right now, the weather is getting a bit chilly because we're getting closer to Christmas. And I actually like this weather. I actually like this weather a lot, I must say. So, just moisturizing my skin. Yeah, so real sensitive skin, like dry, like a combination skin, dry to oily skin, I would suggest you try using organic coconut oil. Like, you don't have to put much because a little goes a long way, you know. So like I said, I use this in my hair, I use it in Cairo's hair, my husband started using it in his hair. And then we also use the Palmen extra virgin olive oil. Now that is good for your hair, but it's not good for the skin. This, however, is good for everything. It really is. But yeah, so that's enough for this. I'm gonna continue just rubbing this out into my skin and then just put on some brows, and that's about it, because you know, with this pandemic and wearing a mask, it really doesn't make much sense doing full face makeup. So I'm just gonna do my eyebrows and just a little powder, and that's me. And hopefully by then my hair is dry so I can see what the end result of using the flaxseed powder gel I made makes. So I'm just gonna start doing that, and yeah.
Circle back around to you, coming back around to you. I'm coming back around.
Even on your worst day, love you in the worst way. Circling around for eternity, going through the motions, you're turning me eternally.
Living on my own again, reaching out to hold your hand. I wanna be alone with you. Can I be alone? Can I be alone with you? If you can take my hand,
guys, so we are out on a walk with Cairo, my husband and the baby in the back. Say hi. But yeah, so as you can see, my hair is dried. I am shocked. I'm really shocked because this is actually holding up way better than the gels I would normally buy. Now I won't say I'm oblivious to using flaxseed gel, because that's what I normally bought, the eco styling gel with the flaxseed powder inside of it, and it didn't do this. So I am pleased. But yes, so we are on a walk on the joggers pathway out by Bahamas. And this is the lake area. Yep. What are those ducks? So we're just taking him for some fresh air, try to do walks as much as possible and just enjoy nature. But yeah, you guys, so it just dried naturally, air dried, and I love it. I absolutely love the results. So yeah, so we're just walking a little nature walk today, and I want to do more videos like this because I'm very big on meditation and stuff like that. And you know, I encourage everybody that are trying to have some more self-growth and so forth, trying to grow more mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially. Okay, but yes, so we're just gonna do our walk, enjoy our day, and yeah, I encourage anybody to say become one with nature and just live life, because life is so precious, and I think that's something the pandemic has definitely showed us. But until next time, you guys, remember to be you unapologetically, and I will see you guys in the next video.